Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the issues related to Windows update. Like you are getting the message your device is missing some fixes, important fixes on your Windows. So how you can repair your Windows in Windows 10 and 11 and in 8 also Microsoft provides you the inbuilt feature which troubleshoot the problem related to Windows update and repair those. So how you can run the troubleshooter? Go to start menu here. Okay, click on setting option. Now you will get more options here. You need to click on the last option, which is update and security option. Click on that. Then you will see the troubleshoot option here. You need to click here. Now click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on Windows update and resolve problem that prevent you from updating Windows. Run the troubleshooter and follow the instructions. This is detecting your problems, so you need to wait for that and follow as per the instructions. Now you can see resolving problems. Now this process is taking more time, so I'm canceling this. You don't need to cancel this, you need to wait for this process. Now the second option you can try if the Windows update got corrupted. So in this case you need to uninstall the latest Windows update. How you can do that? Press Window plus R button together and right here appwiz.cpl to open the programs and feature options, or you can directly go with the control panel. You need to click on here view install update, which is the second option. First is control panel, second is view optional update, third is turn Windows feature on or off. You need to click on views install update, and sometime your program might get corrupted, so you can uninstall the program. Click on the install on button, make sure you are choosing the latest one and click on uninstall. Click on yes button, and this might take 10 to 15 minutes to uninstall your latest Windows. So after uninstalling your latest Windows, you can reinstall the Windows. How you can reinstall that? Update and security, Windows update, and you need to click for check for update or download and install button. You can see I'm getting the updated version of Windows, so I'm not performing this task, so you need to wait for that until it is finished. Click on restart button when it opens and click on check for update. After the completing the process, your issues will be resolved with this method if the corruption inside your latest Windows. So these are two possible ways to fix your problem. If you are not able to fix this problem, you can reinstall your Windows with the bootable pen drive. Your issue will be resolved. So hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.